All right, y'all. I have to clean my phone out. There you go, baby. He sounds like a little horse. He sounds like a horse. He sounds like a mule. Here come your bus, son. Hold on, y'all. Have a good day, son. Bye.
You know, it's the last person you get dropped off. But when you come home, nobody knows.
Somebody take that one right there and put it over here. This little thing over there. The little thing right there. Put it over there. See, that's all he wanted. He wanted something to eat. He wanted his breakfast. Put it over there. Figure out how I got that one and then do that one like that, please. Can you do that for me? Goodness. All right, guys. One down, two to go. Well, she walks, so. Coffee gone. Okay, y'all. Let me sit here and relax and everything. So, quit being nosy. God damn. I'll make you sit up here. Y'all, I love my porch. And my porch really isn't big enough. Like my brother's girlfriend's house when I went over there, she got this whole porch set from Temu and an umbrella. That's something I'm getting ready to invest in for this summer. Is a big umbrella that you sit out, you know, and a table with chairs and stuff. Because I don't really see. I mean, I guess I could put a couch porch. I mean, a couch for your porch. Couch furniture. What am I saying? Porch furniture. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm still on this dog across the street. I've never heard a dog sound like that. I mean, he sounds like something is wrong with him, he or she, honestly. And it's tripping me out right now. So I can't even talk or think straight right now. I apologize. But I was saying I want to get me a porch, couch. I may be able just to fit that up here. That's it. Nothing like, I would like to have a whole set, but I don't want my porch to be so crowded where you can't really get in. I mean, you know, be comfortable. You feel me? So